Hey, and welcome to this course. I'm really excited to have you here, and I think you are too, because we're gonna go through some really cool stuff in this course, which I think I'm going to like. So, we're gonna start by covering the essentials of sketching and what you need to get started. Basically, just to warm up your hand, and these are exercises that you should be doing on a regular basis. So even if you've been sketching for 10, 15 years, starting out with these exercises is always a good idea to get to get warmed up and to get into it. So let's start with the tools that I prefer to use for just standard sketching like this. So I love these big round sticks. Why? Because they are really they're light, they feel good in your hand, they are not complicated at all, and they create a really just a smooth lines, and the contrast is high, which by that I mean the ink that comes out is really black, and it really gives you a nice you don't have to press too much to get the amount of ink that you want to get out of this. So I would definitely recommend these big round sticks, and I use the medium. You can find them almost anywhere, everywhere online. You can get 10 of them for I think $1.50 or something like that. It's really cheap. And for the paper, now this is a whole different topic. The paper for me, when sketching like this, like starting out, just warming up, it really does not matter what kind of paper I have. It can be anything that the that the pen will stick to. So if I have, let's say I have an old open envelope right here, I would pick that up and just start to sketch warm up sketches all over that. Or if I have, let's say, a box like this right here, I would start to sketch on this. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter what you start with. But as you progress, I use this is normal printing paper, nothing fancy at all. Really cheap paper. If you want to step it up a notch, you can start to use marker paper, which I have right here, and I'm using this right now. It's the Canson XL marker paper, and it's really nice because I like the fluent line. When you go with markers, you feel like it's almost gliding over the paper. It's really nice. So I would definitely recommend this paper if you're planning on later on going into marker sketching. I'm also using the Copic marker paper, which is another really good paper for sketching with markers. But for this purpose right here, we are going to use standard printing paper and just a regular big pen, and that's it. So let's jump into a few exercises that if you're just starting out with sketching, is a really good way to start out with the whole sketching process.